Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making a home-style American breakfast. Stay tuned. I use buttermilk for pancake and 1 cup and 3/4 water, and then mix it together. I'll wait for the grill to get hot and usually use olive oil a little bit just to make sure the pancake won't stick on the grill. Pancake mix is ready and the grill is hot, so I could put the pancake now. 1 cup of pancake mix. I could make two this pancake. It's easy American breakfast, but I might decide to cook some bacon and bacon and sausage. There's a strawberry. I could put some strawberry on top. Whatever you have available in your refrigerator, you could put some blackberries or blueberries, whatever you want. You could put any fruit on top of you could even put bananas. Usually kids love bananas, you know. And you can tell when your pancake is ready because it's bubbling. The top is bubbling, or para siyang kumukulo. Ayan, pwede na siyang baliktarin. Madali lang. Ayan. Anyone could make pancake. Now I'm going to start making some scrambled eggs. I'm just waiting for the pan to get hot. And I usually use a non-stick pan when I make scrambled eggs or omelet. Since you use a non-stick pan, you have to use a non-stick pang sandok also para hindi ma-scratch ang kawali. Kasi once na ma-scratch ang kawali, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin. Ayan. And I use olive oil. Always use olive oil. It's healthy. Just a small drop. A small drop of olive oil. Just to make sure the eggs won't stick on a pan. There, my pang sandok is also Teflon. There's my scrambled eggs ready. Now I have to prepare my sausages and bacon. So that's garden to table, home style breakfast. 2 pancakes, 3 pieces of bacon, 2 sausages, scrambled eggs, and glass of milk. And I have fresh fruits on the side.